everybody, and welcome to another Monday plan with me. Today I am planning from the 21st of January to the 27th. The kit I am going to be using is the Let's Get Cozy kit from the Plump planner, and I also pulled in a few more glitters as well that I think might go well with the kit. And for washi, I don't know if I've got it out, I am going to use the pink Stardust. So I'm going to speed through placing down all the kit, and then I will get back to you with the functional. So that is all the kit placed down. I haven't been able to put my washi on the second page because it ran out. So when I get a bit more, I'll have to do that. So I'm now going to go into my day by day, starting with Monday. So to start Monday, it is Coffee Monday. So I'm going to use a coffee cup from Linouspots. I don't know how you pronounce it, but that's what that is for. Then I want to share my weekly spread. So I have a FoxAndCactus Winter Planner Girl, and to film this plan with me. And then at the very bottom here, I'm just going to put a YouTube emoji to mark that I need that this video will be uploaded, and then I just need to do my checklist for the day, so I need to clear our wardrobe, and so I don't take so much of your time up in this video. All down the bottom I'm going to do my checklists of what cleaning I want to get done that day, and then I'll fill in the other bits off camera as well, and then you can see the spread all finished. For Tuesday we'll be meeting my mum, so I have a winter emoji holding a coffee cup. My eldest has film club, so I'm just going to pop that emoji there. And then my youngest, no, she has homework club, sorry, and then my youngest has film club, so I'm just going to take one of these quarter boxes to cover up that headline and use this unicorn cat sticker to mark that. And then in the evening I want to do my grocery list, so I'm just going to use this grocery list sticker from my stickers down at the bottom. For Wednesday I want to get some blog work done, so I have a laptop sticker from Your World of Colour. I want to do some PR promoting for Your World of Colour, so I have a StationeryHeavenCo Instagram sticker, and then I need to do my online grocery shopping, so I have a little character sticker from MochiKichi. Moving on to Thursday, it is payday, so is there a payday sticker? Not a big one anyway, so let's see if I have one in here. These are all my leftover stickers. See if I have one in here. These are all my payday stickers. I think I'll just use one of these from La Petite Paula. And I will place it on a I'll just stick it as it is there and right next to it. Then I want to purchase some Etsy stickers, so I'm just going to buy all the stickers. That's from Your World of Colour. And then have some bills to pay, so I'm going to do what I usually do. I'm going to take the to-do half box, and then I will put a script word over the to-do and write my bills on there. And then my eldest has after school nucleo, which is where she plays the violin, so I just have a unicorn holding a violin from Your World of Colour. Friday I need to film, so I have a little YouTube munchkin. Also it is bin day. I forgot to get a bin sticker out. Pretty sure this should be in here. Yes, I have a bin sticker. mark which bins would have been emptied. And then it is family time, so I'm going to use this unicorn sticker from, I can't remember what the shop's called. It is from, check for it, MyFriendMochi. Then for Saturday, me and the girls are going to take the dog for a walk and they will play a bit of Pokemon Go. I need to repaint my nails, so I have a nail emoji. There's a new word there, a nail emoji, and then I have another unicorn from MyFriendMochi to mark me time. And then for Sunday, I need to get some laundry done, so I have a laundry emoji. And then the girls need an early night because obviously school on Sunday, so I have the teddy bear onesie emoji. And I'm not sure whether to use one of these checklists because it's for my school checklist, because I usually do that. I don't think I will. I might put these in the corner, just some of the leftover stickers. I don't know if I can fit any more in anywhere. I might take this girl one. No. Oh, I might be able to stick it there and right round it. And then we just have the gloves left. So that is everything placed down. I'm just going to fill everything out and then I will get back to you. So that is my spread all finished. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.